Hi, and welcome back to my channel today. Today, I have an unboxing from a jewelry company that actually reached out to me recently and asked if I'd take a look at some of their jewelry. The company that I'm talking about is Mariana. And Mariana is a jewelry company. It is run by a designer named Mariana, same name as the jewelry. So I'm going to open the box. And I want you to see what the box itself looked like inside. So there's a jewelry pouch. And let's take that out. And then there's a jewelry card. So I'm going to take a look at the card first. So the card says, Mariana, live in color. If you can see the little card. And then inside, that's a picture of Mariana, the designer. So it says, and I'm going to read you her card, it says, Mariana believes that what music is to the ear, color is to the eye. Her exquisite creations make the woman who wears them glow with confidence and love for life. Since 1997, her exuberant sense of color and unexpected fusion of old and new, fabric and sewn, material and spirit have been the very heart and soul of her creative vision. Mariana's pieces are made with components as varied as the moods they convey, dazzling hand-cut gemstones, exquisite Swarovski crystals, some new, some over 100 years old, handmade fabric beads. She draws from an endless variety of colors and materials to bring her inspirations to life. For a finishing touch, they're plated in gold or silver and nickel-free with the exception of her yellow gold matte finish. So her jewelry is hypoallergenic for the most part, which on a side note is a very big deal to me. Not for myself, but I have a younger daughter who actually does have an allergy to nickel. And she has one ear piercing in both her ears, so she has one hole in each ear, and she has to be really careful with the earrings that she wears and buys because she has this issue that if she wears the wrong thing, she ends up getting an infection. So I'm very aware of nickel allergy because of her. But anyways, on this card, the other piece next to her photo says, there's no neutral colors. Every color can make a statement about who we are and what we are feeling. So, a little bit more about her jewelry. And I'm just wanting to make sure I get this correct. Her jewelry is handmade in Israel. Also, again, uses genuine Swarovski crystals. It's affordable luxury. And it's, again, nickel-free, lead-free, and hypoallergenic. So, all of that said, I actually picked two pieces from her collection. One is an antique silver bracelet, and the other is an antique silver leatherback earring in spring flowers. And the bracelet is in frost. And her jewelry, the bracelet that I'm going to show you, retails for $275 and the earrings $63. But her jewelry is exquisite and I can't wait to unbox and show you. Also, before I show you the jewelry, stay tuned and learn at the end of this video how to enter a giveaway to receive a $100 gift card to shop Mariana's website. And I will leave the website link as well as her Instagram handle in the comments and put it across the screen as well. So you can check it out further for yourself. But let's take a look. So again, here's the little jewelry pouch. And again, I received a bracelet and earrings. So I'm gonna show you the bracelet first. Here is the bracelet. You can see it's very pretty. Delicate flowers. It's almost like a blue tone to the stones. I don't know if you can see. Very, very pretty. They're really pretty. What I liked is that They have the blue in the middle to match the bracelet, but the stones on the outer band and the outer rim are in like a pink. And I'm not gonna lie, pink is probably one of my favorite colors and always will be. Okay, I'm back and I'm wearing the earrings in both my ears. And I am also still wearing the beautiful frost bracelet. The first thing is you need to be a subscriber to my channel, and I will check that. The second thing is you need to go over to Mariana's website, which I will run across the screen, and you need to let me know what you would spend the $100 gift card that Mariana is giving away on her page, which item of jewelry, which piece of jewelry you would choose. Also, you need to head over to Instagram and you need to follow Mariana's channel over on Instagram. Again, I'll run that across the screen and leave it in the comments. And you also need to be a subscriber and a follower on my Instagram channel, because I will be doing an Insta story over there and you need to be able to access that as well. So you need to comment below on your favorite item of Mariana's jewelry. You need to subscribe to this channel, my channel. You need to also follow Mariana over on Instagram, and you need to follow me over on Instagram. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but those are the steps to be able to enter this giveaway. Now, if you are a subscriber, I want to thank you for joining me again today for this video. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you aren't a subscriber, again, you need to be subscribed in order to win this giveaway. And now I just want to say thank you for spending some time with me. I wish you a magical day, and bye for now.